Are you looking to make that special woman miss you, even when you're not around? Imagine this. Every time she checks her phone, she hopes there's a message from you. Every little thing reminds her of you. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not. Today I'm sharing 7 powerful, proven ways to make any woman miss you like crazy. These aren't tricks, they're psychological insights that create a lasting connection. Whether you're just getting to know each other or already in a relationship, these tips will help you leave a lasting impression. So stick around till the end, because these steps can change your love life. Number 1. Don't contact her first. Give her the gift of missing you. Let's start with one of the biggest secrets. Don't be the first to contact her every time. It might sound counterintuitive, especially when we live in a world where instant messaging keeps us connected all the time. But here's the catch. Absence creates presence. If you're constantly texting or calling her, she'll never get a chance to wonder what you're up to. She'll never have that little bit of mystery that keeps her coming back for more. Psychologically speaking, not hearing from you triggers curiosity. She'll start to think about you, wonder if you're busy, and perhaps even worry that you're spending time with someone else. This isn't about playing hard to get. It's about creating that space where she naturally starts to feel your absence. In a way, it's a bit like that feeling we get when a favorite TV show ends on a cliffhanger. You're left wanting more, thinking about what will happen next. That's the space you're creating by not always reaching out first, and it's powerful. Number 2, show her you're living your best life. Now, once she's starting to miss you a little, you want to show her that you're still living life to the fullest. When she checks your social media, and believe me, she will, she should see that you're out there having fun, achieving things, and enjoying life. This doesn't mean posting constant updates or trying to look like you're living a fake life. The key is to be genuine and balanced. When she sees that you're active, passionate, and driven, it triggers what's known as social proof. In psychology, social proof means that people are drawn to things that others find valuable. If she sees that you're succeeding and having fun, she'll naturally start to think, he's someone worth being around. And here's the bonus. This approach also benefits you. By focusing on your goals and happiness, you're becoming the best version of yourself, which makes you even more attractive. So let your achievements, passions, and happiness show. It'll make her miss being part of your journey. Number 3. Ignore the attention bait. Don't respond right away. At this point, if she hasn't heard from you in a while, she might start posting a few things herself, maybe a selfie or a cryptic status update. This is what we call attention bait. She's testing the waters, trying to see if she can pull you in. Now, the trick is not to take the bait. Don't react to every selfie or story update she posts, even if it's clearly directed at you. By not liking or commenting on her posts, you're letting her know that you're not so easily swayed by her little hints. It creates a mystery. She'll start wondering if you've noticed, if you're interested, and what you're thinking. This subtle move speaks volumes. It says, I'm not here for the games. And trust me, that kind of confidence and restraint will make you unforgettable. Women are naturally drawn to men who aren't easily affected by small tactics. It shows maturity and self-control. Number 4, don't be overly eager. Stay mysterious. Let's say she finally reaches out. Here's a crucial moment. Many people think this is the time to pour out all your feelings or show how excited you are to hear from her. But hold on, don't show all your cards at once. By keeping your responses calm, casual, and a bit vague, you're making her curious to know more. For instance, if she asks how you're doing, a simple response like good, just busy with a few things works wonders. This answer is polite, but it doesn't give her everything. It leaves room for imagination. Why is this so effective? Because humans are naturally drawn to mysteries. When she doesn't know everything that's going on in your life, it sparks her curiosity. She'll want to dig deeper, understand you better, and keep connecting with you. And as they say, curiosity is the first step toward attraction. Number 5, create a healthy hint of jealousy. This might sound risky, but when done right, a hint of jealousy can be incredibly powerful. Creating a bit of healthy jealousy reminds her that you're desirable. But don't go overboard or do something hurtful. Instead, make subtle moves that show you're connected to other people, especially women. For example, you could post a photo with a group of friends where there's a woman in the mix or tag a female friend on a fun post. It doesn't mean you're involved with someone else. It just subtly reminds her that other people value your presence. Psychologists say that a little jealousy triggers the same emotions that make us value something more. It's like putting a spotlight on you. She'll start thinking, if other people want him, I don't want to miss my chance. This sense of healthy competition can actually make her desire you even more. Number 6, give her a unique nickname. Nicknames may sound simple, but they have a profound effect on emotions. When you give her a unique nickname, You're creating a small world just for the two of you. This name becomes something she associates solely with you. And every time she hears it, she'll think of you. The trick is to make the nickname meaningful. It could be based on an inside joke, a favorite food, or something that connects to her personality. For example, if she loves coffee, you could call her Latte Queen. This personalized nickname becomes a memory trigger, and in psychology, it's called associative memory. Whenever she hears this nickname, it takes her back to moments with you, making her feel closer to you even when you're not around. It's like creating a mental shortcut that brings her thoughts to you. And believe me, this small touch can make a huge difference in keeping her feelings for you alive. Number 7, teach her something new. Finally, one of the best ways to leave a lasting impact on someone is to teach them something they find valuable. It could be a new skill, a hobby, or even just a fresh perspective on life. When you introduce her to something new, she associates that learning experience with you, making it a shared memory. Women are often drawn to men who can inspire and guide them. By showing her something meaningful, you're positioning yourself as someone confident, knowledgeable, and generous. It creates a bond that's based on growth and mutual respect, not just attraction. For example, if you're good at cooking, teach her a recipe. Or if you have a favorite book, recommend it and explain why it impacted you. This not only creates a special connection, but also makes her remember you in a positive, uplifting way. Making a woman miss you isn't about manipulation. It's about creating a connection that feels unique, valuable, and meaningful. By following these steps, you're building a bond that goes deeper than just physical presence. So, go out there and create those unforgettable moments. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on relationships and self-improvement. Until next time, go out there, be confident, and make an impression that lasts.